The story of the split rock of Hor comes from the Bible, Exodus 17, where, during the Israelites' desert wandering, they lacked water and complained to Moses, who, by God's command, struck a rock at Horeb, Jabal Makle in modern Saudi Arabia, causing water to gush out for the people and livestock, a miraculous event symbolic of God's provision and Christian tradition, with geological features at the site supporting the biblical narrative. The biblical account, Exodus 17:17, complaint at Rephidim. The Israelites arrived at Rephidim, a place with no water, and quarreled with Moses, testing the Lord by asking if he was with them. God's command. God instructed Moses to go before the people to the rock at Horeb, Sinai, and strike it with his staff. The miracle, Moses struck the rock twice, and abundant water flowed out, quenching the thirst of the people and their animals. Naming the place, Moses named the place Miso, testing, and Meribah, strife, because of the Israelites' contention. The physical site, Jabal Makle, Saudi Arabia. Location, a massive, split boulder sits on a hill at the base of what is believed to be Mount Sinai Jabal al-Lawz in Saudi Arabia. Appearance, the rock is split cleanly down the middle, with significant water erosion grooves and channels radiating from its base, suggesting massive water flow despite the arid region. Local tradition. Local Bedouins call the site Moses Water and identify it as the place Moses struck the rock, a tradition supported by nearby ancient structures. Significance, divine provision. It's a powerful testament to God providing for his people in their need. Symbol of Christ. In Christian theology, the rock is seen as a prefigurement of Christ, the spiritual source from whom believers drink.
This is the time that I am waiting for to be here. And this is all about, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Ah. So which way, Alfred?
This way.
This way?
Yes.
My God, ang tarik ha. Okay. Sige lang guys. Kunting tiis. Naubos na yata yung energy ko dun sa kabila, yung wrong na pinuntahan namin. Ayun. Ayan guys, malapit na. Yan na yan. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wala nga ayaw. So, kailangan talaga maakyat natin to. Are you okay, Alfred? Okay, thank you very much. Whew. Nasaan na sila? Well, naiwanan na kami. Pero, oh, it's okay. Kahit nahuli kami, basta ang important ay marating yan. Whew. Okay. And then, this way. Nakakit ka na ba?
Bumalik lang ako. Madulas.
Okay. So, let's try. Slowly but surely. Okay, Alfred. Be careful. Okay, here. Okay. Naubos ang energy ko doon sa kabila.
Gapang. Dandahan.
Dandahan. Dito tayo papasok? Oh my gosh! Ha? Wala bang daanan dyan?
Wala na.
Yung pa ganon? Parang it's difficult to be...
Kapa ka lang, kapa.
No! Wala, kailangan pala natin gumapang guys, ha? Yan, yes! So, dapat sabi ko sa inyo guys, dapat pala, ang sinuot ko dito is yung pantalong ko na pangit. Yung cellphone ko, baka magasgas. Yung camera. Well, so kailangan. Hala, madulas nga siya. Dapat pala. Wait lang. Ayun na nga. Ayan. So, kailangan mong humawak. Okay, success. Oh my God. So, kailangan natin guys yan, no? Kailangan natin i-tour ng ating ang ating camera. Kasi, mababasag. Alfred, be careful. Patayin mo na lang muna. Okay. Dapat, oh my God, puto. Yan. So, guys, it's not so easy, to be very honest. Especially pag wala kang exercise. Sir Anthony, are you okay? Okay. Actually, guys, siya yung tour guide namin na, sinama lang kami. So, I'm so happy. Oh my God. And then, dito. Oh my God. Grabe. Ayan. So, dito tayo. Kailangan lang natin humawak ng maigi, ha? Kasi medyo nga madulas. Go. So, here. Okay, this way. Okay. So, hindi pwedeng hindi natin marating to. So, and then, oh my gosh. Diba? Here. It's okay. This is very good exercise. Oh my gosh. So, here. Alfred, are you okay? So, this way, please. Okay. So, what a beautiful night. Oh my gosh. So, this is all about, guys. So, at last, we are here in this place. But I feel so tired, by the way. Naubos yung energy ko doon. But finally, nandito na. Kunti na lang. Okay? So, Alfred, alam mo na.
May trail pala dito eh.
Okay? And, thank you. Thanks.
Ay, ito yung bata.
So guys, ito na. Narating na talaga namin. Ayan. Kung nakikita ninyo yan. See? Ayan. At kung makita nyo naman doon, pababa. So, for the first attempt, I was there. So, because I'm so excited na umakyat. So, medyo naubos ang energy ko. But they said, doon daw kasi medyo may magandang daan. Nandito na kami. So, ito pala yun guys ang sinasabi nila. Na bumulwak ang tubig. So, meaning to say, during the time, dagat to. Kasi may tubig. I know! Desierto nga eh. Tapos, diba? Naging ilog. So, ito pala yun. Ang ganda nga naman, no? Saan kayo, mano? So, nandito na ako. Hi! Alam mo medyo mahirap, pero alam niyo naman, gusto ko talagang, gusto ko talaga siyang marating. So, kailangan talaga, guys, yung sapatos nyo. Ganon. So, kailangan, alam mo kung paano umakyat. So, parang wala na akong paraan. Hindi, wag. Kaso lang, ang problema ko, pagbaba ko, dapat pala yung pantalon ko medyo hindi siya yung maluwag. Para. Jojo! So, andito na ako. Ganito. Yan. Jojo, nasaan ka na? Ha? Nandun siya? Dito ka rin dumaan? Oo, syempre. Stop mo muna. Hindi ko na alam paano.
Ayun po, may rescue maramo. Nandito na. Abutin mo ang kamay. Yun ang marami.
Tapos, paano susunod?
Diyan, sa
Diyan. Ganyan. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Dito! Hi! Sabi ko, dito na kami. So, ang ganda dito. Meron siya ng pahingahan. So, meaning to say, dito sila nagpahinga. May couch. Ayan.
Ayan po ang aming motor. Stomach in, stomach out. Okay.
Ganda. Naka-video yan? Oh, sige guys. Alam nyo, narating na talaga namin yan. Alfred, di ba nakita mo yan? So, yan yung guys, narating na namin talaga. Alam nyo naman. So, talagang sabi ko, gusto ko talagang makarating. At dito naman, narating namin. lumabas na kami, so medyo mahirap lang lumabas dyan. Pero ngayon, ang challenge na naman sa amin is pababa. Pero, for sure, kaya na namin to kisa doon. Medyo mahirap. Kaya guys, ang tip ko sa inyo, sa gustong pumunta dito sa split track, doon lang kayo sa entrance, pero yung exit nyo, dito na kayo. Kailangan magpas kayo dyan. Sa ano na yan? Magpas kayo dyan sa split, papunta rito para mas madali sa inyo ang bumaba. 'Di ba? So, yan yung daan namin papunta doon. So, may nagtatanong sa akin kung nasaan daw ang dagat dito. So, ang dagat siguro somewhere there. So, ito kasi wala ditong dagat. Nasa disyerto kami. For my next vlog, sasabihin ko na lang sa inyo. Okay? So, later on, magpahinga muna ako ha. So, sit muna. Thank you.